Hi guys, welcome back to the bin of toys. Let's see what's in the bin today. Whoa, it's the Play-Doh Kitchen Creation set. Alright guys, let's look at the box. It looks like it has some plates and some pots and pans. It has a play stove. And look at this. This means that it has sound. Alright guys, let's unbox it. But today we're going to be using our magical Easter wand. And if we tap it 3 times, the magical Easter wand should unbox it for us. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at all this stuff. Wow, that was a lot of stuff in that box. Let's check it out. We have green Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and orange Play-Doh. Look at all the tools we have, kids. We have a green pan, a blue pot, a red plate, and a blue plate. We have an orange spatula, a purple pretend knife, a yellow fork, and blue tongs. Here are our molds. We have an orange egg mold, a white steak mold, a red fish mold, and a purple cookie mold. We have a red roller, and don't forget kids, we have a pretend stove. Yay! Alright kids, these are all of our food molds. We have sausage and bacon mold. We have a bread mold. This is our fish mold, an egg mold, and a steak mold. We're going to tap our magical Easter wand to make our food appear. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at that guys. Wow, look at that guys. We have yellow bread, a red fish, a white and yellow egg, a green steak, orange sausage, and orange bacon. That is so cool guys. Okay guys, let's put them aside. I'm going to use my orange spatula. Alright, let's see what's on the stove guys. Does anyone know what time it is? It says it's 12:34. And look at our food molds. We have a carrot, we have a mint leaf, we have lettuce, we have some beans, shrimp, broccoli, mushrooms, peppers, pickles, and cabbage. Okay guys, let's use our magic wand to make the food appear. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at that guys. We have 1 green bean, 1 green pickle, 1 red tomato, 1 orange shrimp, 1 green broccoli, 1 orange carrot, 1 white mushroom, 1 green mint leaf, 1 white cabbage, and 1 red pepper. Okay guys, let's start cooking. Okay guys, let's see what we're gonna make. Let's do some eggs. Put it on the burner. And we'll put some tomatoes in there. And some pickles. Some green beans. And red pepper. Alright, press the button. Okay, all done. Okay, now we're gonna cook some fish with broccoli and carrots. Push the button. Don't forget to shake it. Okay, in our blue pot, we're gonna make some steak, sausage, and bacon with our mint leaf, mushroom, and cabbage. push the button. Don't forget to shake it. Okay, now let's make a sandwich with our bread here. We're gonna put some fish on it, some broccoli, and carrots. Alright, now let's cook the shrimp. Alright, this looks all done. Let's serve it. We got some bacon, our mint leaf, mushrooms, cabbage, sausage, and our steak. Wait, let's put our shrimp on top of the steak. That'll taste great together. That looks yummy, but it's pretend. Alright guys, thank you for helping me cook. Before we go, let's learn some colors. Okay, here we go guys. Let's learn some colors with the Play-Doh Kitchen Creation set. This is an orange egg. This is a white steak. This is a red fish. This is a yellow fork. This is an orange spatula. This is a blue pot. This is a green pan. This is a red roller. This is blue tongs. This is a blue plate. This is a red plate. And here we have yellow Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and orange Play-Doh. This is an orange carrot, green broccoli, red fish, orange sausage, red tomato, orange shrimp, green pickle, yellow bread, green bean, white and yellow egg, red pepper, orange bacon, white mushroom, green mint leaf, white cabbage, and green steak. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Alright guys, click on the egg to subscribe. Click on the green broccoli to see a previous video. Or click on the red fish to see a YouTube recommended video.